how to split payments on Amazon. So here's how it works. If you want to split a payment for an Amazon purchase, first let's choose the item. I'm just going to choose this one and I will add it to my cart. Now, if you want to split the payment, we will proceed to checkout here. And from the checkout screen, you will see here your payment method. And if we click on change for that payment method, it's going to show us different options for payment plans. So you have pay over time with Affirm and also pay with later with Synchrony. If we want to split the payment, you will have to use Affirm, and here it's not going to be available for all orders, but for some orders you can choose this option. Then you will choose how much you want to pay in installments, and that is how you split the payment. And also you have the option of splitting the payment by using a gift card. So here you can add an Amazon gift card, or basically a gift card, and that is also going to deduct the amount from your total. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.